Welcome back, guys, and thank you
for joining me.
me on another articulating design and short video review on how you can actually create a personal or stylized picture portrait. All right, so using variations of illustrated line eyes, both distinct female and male line eye study. This article be use of imagery provides visual attraction for this portrait by using references from the internet. This way you could actually see how effective drawing from inspiration adds a more dynamic appeal to your portrait. And skills in this video, a few different techniques used to cover shading and cross-hatching for making certain types of strokes around the eye in this aspect.
This is called the standard grip. Please remember to subscribe for more design arts entertainment.
Even though I didn't manage to capture a full highlight of the illustrated portrait from the beginning, the importance of this video is to cover as much detail around any study of the illustrated eye before applying color or tone in order to achieve depth and realistic look, applying the right hand technique over hatching or shade in doing so.
This is called the overhand grip.
Hand technique is often important in learning how to apply lighter colors in areas where needed and applying darker colors in gaining contrast to your study.
Notice hand in motion covering smaller details may require standard grip for closer detail between light and gray areas.
Okay guys, so to basically close this visual exercise with showing you a quick review of few final captures in detail and how realistic this visual outline I study turned out is quite a digital experience. Thank you guys for joining me on another short review of unboxing art and covering a beautiful picture portrait in design of male and female the line I study visual with hand in paw variation. Please don't forget to remember, like, share, and subscribe for more arts and articulating design.